Today I received the Zombie Spin Strike by Nerf and Wilder Toys. It is one of 4 targeting systems by Hasbro, and it's super fun. Does take 3 AA batteries and a little bit of construction, so you will need those 3 batteries and a Phillips head screwdriver. I recommend placing it at this orientation in order to get to the battery compartment. Once your batteries are placed in, go ahead and lay it back horizontal so that the 2 stands are there. This is with the cards, I guess, the player pieces that you're shooting. They attach into those 3 connectors that go around the neck. You're going to push the button in order to rotate and be able to connect your targets. Once it's spinning, you can test it, and then you can go into whatever mode you would like. Oops. However, the modes are actually based on what targets you hit, like 10 points for a zombie, negative 10 points for one of the grandma victims that you're not supposed to shoot. I do believe there are 3 different speeds. This one's on the slowest speed because I am a bit of a noob. And this is a new target, so I'm hitting some of the pieces, and they're not coming apart because I did not disconnect them before placing the card on its connector. And you can make some goofy combinations.